If you are having money issues, you will find this video very useful. If you don't have any money issues, even then you will get some valuable insights in this video. These are the tips from the money workshop which I attended. These are all very some fundamental aspects only. There are various aspects involved for influencing our relationship with money. The very first aspect is, how are you looking at money? Even if you are handling, say, the physical money, just giving the money, how you are looking at money? You are seeing this as a lover, or you are seeing, for Hindus, we consider goddess Mahalakshmi. This is in this. Goddess, when you do some this Mahalakshmi puja, you also keep some notes along with the puja. Because we are representing goddess Mahalakshmi in this. Do you see like you the money like that, or you just see one another just note for transaction? When you handle just like another note for transaction, it will be remaining at that level. But when you look at it like a lover, like goddess Mahalakshmi, each time when you handle it, you give it with lot of respect for the note. Even if it's a digital transaction, we're doing it just mechanically or doing it with lot of love and respect for the money. That makes a difference. The very first aspect is how we are looking at money. Where do we say, I love you money, I love you so much. When you are having a special relationship with money, the money feels acknowledged. The second aspect is, when you are giving money, you are just giving money mechanically or having some thought process. There are two ways of giving money. One is a mechanical way. You buying some product or service, giving it mechanically, taking out of the purse, giving it, that's all. The transaction is done. The other way is, there are two types of thought process which you can make while giving the money. First is feel joyful, yes, getting some product or service. You will feel so happy that you're getting that product or service. And when you're giving the money, give it with a lot of love and respect. And give a suggestion that it is coming back to you multiplied 1,000-fold. If you feel 1,000-fold is too much for you, feel it's coming back to be multiplied. It's coming back to be multiplied 100-fold. Another way of thought process is, you can also say, let it feed the hungry. When you're telling that, as if feel you're giving food to about 100 or even 1,000 people, how would you feel when you have fed so many people? Also say in your mind, clothe the naked. How would you feel when you have given clothes to 100 or 1,000 people who don't have proper clothes to wear? How would you feel? The warmth which you will also feel by helping so many people. And now with right you can say, come back to be multiplied 1,000-fold. That is a thought process. And I'm putting it to the universe that let it feed the hungry, let it clothe the naked. It has to come back to you multiplied 1,000-fold. There's no proper, cannot put any logic in this, because when it comes to the arena of money, it is beyond logic. Just apply it and see. The third bonus tip is, if you are going somewhere, you see someone, say a beggar, instead of giving money, see if you can give him some meals. If there is some nearby canteen, no need to go to even a posh hotel. If suppose say if you can give him say 50 rupees lunch, he will feel blessed. He will feel so good. When you, without any expectation from the other person, when you give it, the feeling of goodness, the feeling of fulfillment which you'll get cannot be expressed in words. You have to experience it to see how you are feeling. So just try these 3 tips. The way you look at money, How are you looking at it? Just seeing it as a note, or seeing it as your divine lover or goddess Mahalakshmi? Because when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. I think it was said by Dr. Wayne Dyer. It's a very powerful quote. The second is how you are giving money. Do you feel joy, happy, while joyful, and do you feel joyful and happy when you're giving the note? And then also say that it's coming back to you multiplied 1,000-fold. Or alternative way of giving is tell your mind, let it feed the hungry, clothe the naked, and come back to be multiplied 1,000-fold. The third tip is, if you are able to give to some needy people, do make use of that opportunity and you'll feel blessed. So if you like this video, do like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.